Okay, hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
So, please introduce yourself first.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Lilia, but my friend call me Ui. I'm 20 years old, and
Yes.
then I graduated from LinkedIn Match High School. My hobbies are cooking and eating, dancing, shopping, etc.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. I would ask you about two kind of issue here. Yeah. The first is please mention that you know how to express asking permission to someone. Yeah, three expressions. The way you ask permission to someone.
Okay, I'll give 3 examples.
Mm-hmm.
The first one is, can I borrow your pen?
All right.
And then second one is, could you please give me a favor? The third one is, would you mind if I take a picture with you?
All right. Just 3, yeah. All right. Okay. The second one is please give your opinion about how important learning English for your future.
Learn English is very important this day because English is international language. We have to learn English because everybody from around the world is learning English.
Okay, so do you think that everybody need to learn English nowadays?
Yes.
All right. And how do you think that English lesson is LABiRIN is important too for your future?
I think LABiRIN is good. First, I searched LABiRIN in the Google and the rating was good, and then it's near from my house, and then the tutor are really good.
Okay, so after you have got the lesson in LABiRIN, so what do you think about your progress in speaking or in English speaking? Your English speaking.
I think my progress is so far so good because I practice. If I don't go to LABiRIN, I have no one to talk. So practice make it perfect.
Okay, so it means that did you practice it a lot?
Yeah.
Okay. Beside with the tutor of LABiRIN, so with whom did you try to practice English in your daily life?
I speak with people from around the world because I work in Web3 like NFTs or crypto, like something like that.
Okay, so it means that from your activity, it's known that English is important for you.
Very, very important.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Uwi.
Thank you.
Okay.